Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel Fashion Glam. Today we are showing you beautiful and stylish different types of handmade macrame design ideas and pattern ideas. These are all wall hanging decoration macrame mirror design ideas and wall decoration ideas, nursery decor ideas. These are all very beautiful and very stylish handmade crochet macrame wall decor mirror ideas. These are all very stylish and very beautiful wall hanging mirror design ideas. These are all latest and beautiful macrame mirror design ideas. This collection is very beautiful and very stylish. These are all handmade crochet macrame design ideas. Here we are showing you latest styles of crochet macrame wall hanging mirror design ideas. In this video you will find different types of wall decor ideas, home decor ideas, nursery decor ideas, so guys that you can come up with some really cool ideas from our videos. I hope guys that you are going to love this awesome and beautiful collection. I hope that you love this stylish and different types of macrame design ideas and wall hanging macrame mirror design ideas. So guys, you will get many more ideas and many suggestions from this video. Just keep on watching this video till the end. You can enjoy our video and designing on our channel. You will find different types of videos, different types of designs and different types of ideas, all types of crochet work videos like crochet baby dresses design ideas, crochet baby shoes, sandals and slipper design ideas, all types of crochet women's dresses collection, crochet blouse and top design ideas, crochet table mats, table runner design, crochet wall decor ideas, different types of crochet jewelry collection like crochet necklace design, bracelet design, earring design, all types of crochet cardigans and jackets design ideas, different types of crochet curtains design, bed sheets, bedspreads and bed cover design ideas, beautiful and stylish crochet cushions and pillows design ideas and patterns, all types of crochet work videos on our channel and different types of other beautiful videos on our channel and unique ideas. If you want to watch any videos on our channel, so you can open our channel and watch from playlist. You will find dresses videos in dresses playlist, home decor videos in home decor playlist, unique ideas videos in unique ideas playlist. In each playlist you will find different types of videos and in each video you will find different types of designs. If you like our videos, so please like it and let us know in the comments how you like our videos. And if you have not subscribed our channel, so please subscribe my channel. Be sure to share our videos with your friends and your family members, and you must click on the bell icon so you get notification for every one of our upcoming videos reach you first. And keep up the good content. Please remember us in your prayers. Will take care of himself. We will keep bringing you more beautiful and awesome ideas, awesome videos. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.